So we're quite regularly asked, how can we maintain the climate of a garage or workshop or store, as this is, to protect the contents here, because high humidity damages the contents, causes things to rust. If there was cars here, they could corrode. So how can we manage that? Well, firstly, we need to make sure we've got no drafts. So a key problem here is being able to seal around the garage door. Having created a seal and knowing that we've got no drafts here, we need to use a dehumidifier, because the dehumidifier will dry the excess humidity from the air and thus protect everything that's stored in it. Now we can calculate the capacity of the dehumidifier quite easily. We measure the volume of the room, the length times breadth times height, and we calculate that in cubic meters or cubic feet, and we divide that by the capacity of the machine. So in this instance, this machine processes 90 cubic meters of air an hour, and so it would work really nicely in a workshop or garage with a volume of about 45 cubic meters. If we were talking about cars and we wanted to protect our car, then the maths are quite simple. If we had one car, a small machine like this is more than adequate to protect and maintain one car. A garage that could take two cars, this one would be more suitable because that's processing 90 cubic meters of air an hour. And if we had more than two cars, 3, 4, this machine is more suitable because that's processing a garage volume of about 180 cubic meters. And that's it. There's nothing more complicated than that.